Dans le monde, nous venons trouver qu'il y a beaucoup de guerres qui font des milliers de victimes. Est-ce qu'il y a le monde où la paix peut exister, utopique? Ainsi, pour réaliser la paix dans le monde, l'ONG sud-coréenne HWPL invite tout pays pour signer une déclaration pour la paix. Sa ONG-là peut aussi souhaiter que tout le monde dans le monde travaille ensemble pour promouvoir la paix. Ainsi, chaque année, HWPL organise un World Peace Summit pour inviter les dirigeants dans le monde, mais aussi la société civile pour trouver une entente pour que la paix existe dans tout pays.
Is the dawn of a new era, an era of peace, where there is no war, and all the things that have become corrupt come to an end.
Je suis journaliste de Midi Madagascar et je fais partie de la délégation malgache qui participe à ce sommet mondial sur la paix. Actuellement, nous sommes ici à Incheon, en Corée du Sud, pour participer et pour couvrir le 4e anniversaire de la célébration du 18 septembre où il a été déclaré la déclaration de la paix et cessation des guerres. Et en même temps, il y avait un festival sur la paix et plusieurs conférences consacrées à la jeunesse, à la religion, aux femmes et plusieurs thèmes. C'était une très bonne initiative. On a pu découvrir plusieurs nationalités qui viennent de l'Asie, de l'Afrique, de l'Amérique, de l'Océanie. On a pu découvrir différentes cultures. Mais ce qui nous réunit ici, c'est la paix. Tout le monde a besoin de la paix, l'Afrique, l'Asie, l'Amérique et surtout actuellement quand on sait que dans le monde il y a la guerre, quand on parle du Proche-Orient, surtout dû à la religion. Ici en Corée spécialement, il y a la paix mais pas vraiment parce que les deux Corées ne sont pas encore réunifiées 50 ans après la division. Il y a aussi en Afrique beaucoup de pays africains qui souffrent actuellement. Il y a la violence due aux religions, il y a la pauvreté, il y a beaucoup de kidnapping, il y a beaucoup de gens qui souffrent. Et comme ça, il y a cet engouement de tout le monde qui veut avoir la paix et qui veut avoir un monde unifié.
Le but de délégués qui viennent assister à ce sommet, c'est justement pour promouvoir la paix et l'harmonie dans le monde. Différents pays représentés.
This is Saidur Rahman Said. I am a news presenter and a media consultant. I am working in Bangladesh television, attending in 4th summit of HWPL in South Korea 2018. Well, this summit is very much important to me as a journalist, I would say, because it has created hope for the people throughout the world. Peace, that work has been initiated from HWPL Korea. Mr. Man-hee Lee has been initiated this program. And this program, if does continue, in the meantime, it has created a sensation throughout the world. And I believe through this organization, DWPC, what is going to adopt in UN in the coming days, will be a milestone for peace achieving people throughout the world.
I'm Mawande, my surname is Chacha. I'm from South Africa, from a community radio station known as Bonella FM in Cape Town. I attended the conference to observe other countries as to how do they perceive peace and what are the initiatives that they are doing in ensuring that peace is realized in the world. So that was the purpose of attending the conference. Peace is important to achieve, and also it actually the program that will lead to harmony in the world and also the cessation of wars and ensuring that people are actually living in harmony. So it can be achievable through this program and other initiatives that can be taken by ordinary people on the ground, not necessarily by high-level people. So it is peace is actually everyone's responsibility to ensure that peace is implemented.
Yeah, my name is Innocent Shukudu. I'm with the Voice newspaper in Gaborone, Botswana. And I'm here as part of the media delegation that is covering this World Peace Summit. Peace is very important and it's very achievable. If you look at countries like Germany, who've gone through the agony of war and have managed to put their house in order, I think the rest of the world can also achieve. They can borrow a leaf from their example and also make inroads towards peace. Different speakers have shared their experiences of the different forms of unrest in their respective countries. And actually, what I can say is all the stories have been very encouraging. Peace can be achieved. Okay, every country has got their own unique situations. But if you take, for example, the Korean Peninsula, okay, they have this, their problem is peculiar and they're the last remaining divided nation. And I think if they can manage to resolve the problem that has been existing for over 60 years, I mean, they can be a precursor to process the advent of reunification for the rest of the world. They can be a good example to the rest of the world.
Oui, pour le moment, on est en Corée du Sud, dans le stade qui est basé à Incheon. Donc c'est là où l'événement est en train de se passer pour le moment. Il y a beaucoup de monde, bien sûr, donc tout le monde veut la paix. En fait, c'est l'événement qui concerne la 4e commémoration annuelle pour la paix. Donc il y a beaucoup de monde, il y a beaucoup de gens qui viennent de l'Afrique. Donc chaque pays a quelqu'un ici qui représente le pays, son pays.
Hello, Swagatam and warm greetings from Nepal. My name is P.R. Ratnam Maharajan. I am the president of Track Nepal. We are here assembling, attending the 4th SWPL World Summit, and today is only one of the main event to be happen, and we are waiting for the parade of peace rally, and we all gather here to see how the peace works between all the people gathering here. So Nepal, we have a long-term ethnic problem for the 15 years before, and after that we had a peace process. Now Nepal is enjoying the peace because the rebel groups, they all came to the mainstream of political, and they are now also part of our government. So they joined, the rebel joined the government, and a coalition government now running the government. So this is one very example of Nepal. The rebel groups joined the government and running the country. So this is a very model example for the world that how peace can be achieved.
SWPL의 하늘문을 하는 지구촌을 평화를 되찾아주는 생명의 빛이 되고 있습니다. 세계를 밝혀주는 평화의 광채가 불빛으로 가득한 행렬로 이어지고 있습니다. 인류에게 따뜻함과 풍요로움을 가져다준 빛은 높고 낮은 데를 구별하지 않으며 지구촌 모두에게 생기를 더해줍니다.
HWPL's heavenly culture shines a light of life that restores peace on earth. The march full of gold radiance continues. The light that brings warmth and abundance to humanity gives life equally to everyone on earth, regardless of their status.
Hello, my name is Yori Kemp. I'm from the Bahamas, and I'm representing the Caribbean Youth Now, a regional agency for the Caribbean and Central America. Just about 2 years ago, the United Nations labeled several Caribbean countries and several Central American countries as conflict zones. Even though we don't have wars or civil wars or anything of that nature, because of all the violence and everything that's happening between gangs and drug-related violence, they've designated us as conflict zones. So anything that advances peace and conflict resolution and peace mediation strategies, we're all for, and we support the endeavors of the HWPL very much so. Even though there are going to be some times where persons are going to have conflicts or disagreements, at the end of the day, once we have a common goal to move forward with peace, you can't go wrong. I mean, why wouldn't we want to live in peace? You know?
Hello, my name is Nur Isani Eka Saputri. I am producer of Inspira Televisi Indonesia, and I'm here to be a part of the peace as a media person who broadcasts peace. Peace is really important. That's why, because God created us in very different from the faith, religions, culture, and yeah, we are all different. So if we cannot make it peace, we cannot make peace, everyone can be in a war, because we are all different. That's why peace is very important, and media roles in peace is really important, because we are the first door to inform the viewers about peace.
Oui, moi je m'appelle Jean de Dieu Mouniembabaz, je représente le journal Igué au Burundi. Donc je suis venu ici en Corée du Sud pour atteindre la 4e sommet pour la paix. La paix c'est très important, surtout en Afrique. Et comme vous le savez, moi je viens du Burundi. Donc dans notre région il y a beaucoup de conflits. Donc c'est très important qu'on commence, comme je suis journaliste, donc on fait un effort pour juste promouvoir la paix. C'est très important.
HWPL's Heavenly Culture shines a light of life that restores peace on earth. The march full of gold radiance continues. The light that brings warmth and abundance to humanity gives life equally to everyone on earth, regardless of their status.
Ma performance et ma numéro qui tient au stade Incheon en Corée du Sud lors de sa World Summit pour promouvoir la paix, c'est mémorable pour tout ban invité, car le message qui primait, la paix dans le monde.
It was very electrifying. Everybody was excited. I must commend the organizing team. They were very much organized. Everything went according to the program. It was really amazing. People were excited. There were a number of festivities. It was quite very good. It was quite very good, and you could see that everybody from different corners of the world are actually interested in peace. It was a very, very nice reception. Everybody was talking to some people that you don't know, taking pictures, but ensuring that people. All I can say that people were happy. It was really a peaceful environment. No incidents that were reported that occurred in the stadium. It was a very peaceful event that we held.
Incheon main stadium, there was a parade and other performances for peace, and leaders from every corner of the world, journalists and every professional have joined, and all the performances was very much excellent and outstanding. I have enjoyed it, and I believe through this work, this peace activity, peace campaign would rather strengthen throughout the world, and the word "we are one" would create something surely.
Moi, je m'appelle Pierre Muyombanon, je viens du Rwanda, je suis journaliste à la radio et télévision Flash. La paix est une grande chose pour moi puisque j'ai vu ce qui s'est passé dans notre pays, le génocide perpétré contre les Tutsis. Ça a donné beaucoup de peine et beaucoup de souffrance aux Rwandais. Et quand je participe à un événement pareil, ça me donne aussi le courage de lutter pour la paix, mais aussi ça me montre que beaucoup de gens au monde s'intéressent à la paix et cela vraiment donne l'espoir qu'un jour nous allons vivre un monde avec paix, sans beaucoup de guerres et sans conflits. C'est ce que vraiment l'humanité dont a besoin. Il y a des différences entre les pays, mais il y a aussi quelque chose de commun. Cette chose de commun, c'est la paix. Mais comme journaliste, comme citoyen de mon pays, comme citoyen du monde, je sais bien, je comprends que chaque pays, d'abord, si chaque pays doit résoudre les problèmes, propres, et puis ensemble en tant que les pays du monde peuvent coopérer pour résoudre les pays au niveau global.
Peace is such a vital word. This is very much expected by all corners of the world. In every religion there is a basics is peace. So people love peace. And unfortunately, the world is full of war everywhere. And the expected thing, peace, for the human, for the people of the universe, is neglected. And to establish a good world, a good universe, we need peace very much. So the expected peace is widely wanted by the people throughout the world.